Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher. So you should have in your hands the English textbook 5 of Cambridge Scholar series. So today we are going to study the first lecture of the grammar portion of the chapter 1st of grade 5th. We have divided our chapter number 1st into 4 lectures. The first lecture emphasized on the grammar portion as usual, and today we are going to discuss and classify the noun as a common noun and proper noun. So here students, our today's student learning outcome is of the unit 1, that is 4 things. The first SLO is we have to classify a noun as a common noun and proper noun. So basically nouns are divided into 2 nouns, that is common noun and proper noun. So first of all, do you remember that noun is the name of what? People, places and things. So they have been divided further into 2 portions. So number first is common noun. Common noun are the words for general people, animals, places or things. They are the words for the people, and here are the words for the animals, here are the words for the places, and these are the words for the common things. So let's have to check the examples. For example, an actor is a person, a lawyer, a baby, baker, nurse, cook, police, man, dentist, singer, doctor and teacher. They all are what? They all are people, but they are general people. No one is specified. For example, Dr. Aslam. Now Aslam is what? Aslam is a proper noun, but doctor is not specified to any person. That is why doctor is a general term. In the same way, actor, lawyer, baby, they all are generally used for people. The next category is of animals. Cat, goose, cow, hen, dog, horse, dolphin, mouse, duck, parrot, sheep, goat. They all are general animals. That is why they are termed as what? Common nouns. The third is the noun for the places. So the common nouns are cave, airport, market, mountain, playground, mosque, hill, school, hospital, hotel, mall, zoo. Now here it is not mentioned that which mountain, Mountain Everest or K2 mountain. If it is mentioned, then it will be considered as a proper noun. But if it is not mentioned, it gives us the information of a general mountain. It does not specify any mountain. That is why they are termed as common noun. In terms of airport, which airport you are talking about? For example, if this is termed as Islamabad International Airport, now the airport becomes specified. The last one is the words for common things. They are called as common nouns are bag, box, bread, van, chair, cup, kite, ladder, lamp, picture, radio, desk. These all are generalized things that has been used in our daily life. So they all are what? Common nouns. Now coming towards the proper nouns. As I have earlier mentioned that proper nouns are the names for particular people or specified people specified places or things, they always begin with a capital letter. Now, whenever a proper noun is used, it must be what? Started with a capital letter. For example, Qaid-e-Azam, Minar-e-Pakistan, Lahore, Wasim Akram, Alibaba, China. Now here, Qaid-e-Azam is referred to a specific person. Wasim Akram is referred to a specific person. That is why they are termed as proper noun. Minar-e-Pakistan is a proper place. Lahore is a specific city. Alibaba is the name of a specific person. And China is the name of particular country. That is why they all are known as a proper nouns. Now some of the examples are the names of the countries and their people are also proper nouns. For example, Pakistan and the people are called as Pakistani. These are what? Proper nouns. India, Indian. Iran, Iranian. Thailand, Thai. Malaysia, Malay. China, Chinese. Now, the days of the week and the months of the year also are proper nouns. For example, there is a noun that is termed as the month. So, month does not specify which month, but if it is mentioned that the month of January, now January is what? A proper noun. February, March, April, May, June, they all are what? Proper nouns. And days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, they all are proper nouns. Now the name of the festivals, some special events, holidays are also termed as proper nouns. Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Azha, New Year, Father's Day, Labor Day and Christmas, they all are termed as proper nouns. Now here you have to underline the proper nouns in the following sentences. The first sentence is July is often the hottest month in summer. Here July is a specific month, that is why it is underlined as proper noun. In the second sentence, one day Alibaba saw 40 thieves hiding in a cave. Now here Alibaba is what? A proper noun. In the third sentence, Uncle Munawwar is a lawyer. Here Uncle Munawwar is a specific person, not a general person. That is why it is underlined as a proper noun. The fourth one is next Tuesday is a public holiday. Here Tuesday is the name of a day. That is why it is a proper noun. The fifth one, many children enjoyed the movie The Lion King. So you have to tell me students, कौन सा है इसमें proper noun? Yes, the Lion King is the proper noun. So on your page 7, here is the next activity. You have to underline the nouns that should be capitalized. It means you have to underline the nouns that are what? Proper noun. And you have to circle the nouns that should not be capitalized. So, the first sentence is, my friends and I prefer Colgate toothpaste. So, here the friends is what? Friends are common noun which should not be capitalized. That is why I am going to encircle that. And Colgate toothpaste. So, the Colgate is what? A proper noun. That is why I am going to underline it. In the second statement, their family visited the national park. Here, family is what? A common noun, and national park is a proper noun and should be capitalized. We had a surprise party for Uncle Ali. Here, Uncle Ali is a proper noun, so it should be capitalized. Spring and winter are my favorite seasons. Here, spring, winter, both are common nouns, but the spring should be capitalized because the word spring is starting the sentence. So that is why S should be capitalized. The fifth one, the manager scolded his lazy employees. Here, the manager is what? The manager is common noun and employees is also a common noun. Yes, here you have to select the best option. The first one is dash is not a common noun. Here, swimmer is what? Swimmer is a common noun. River is what? A common noun. American is not a common noun. So this is the right answer. The next one is dash is not a common noun. Yes, the first option, Peshawar, is not a common noun. The third one, dash is not a common noun. Bag, no. Basket, no. Park, no. Yes, Eid al-Fitr is not a common noun because Eid al-Fitr is a proper noun. The fourth one option, dash is not a proper noun. Harry Potter is a proper noun. Basket, yes, this is not a proper noun because Umar and Ali Baba both are proper nouns. The fifth one is dash is not a proper noun. Pakistan, no, Pakistan is a proper noun. America is a proper noun. Japan is a proper noun. And city is not a proper noun. So this is your right answer. Now students, you have to underline the common nouns and to circle the proper nouns from the sentences below. So the first sentence is Jamil is her cousin. What? Jamil is her cousin. Here, Jamil is the name of a particular, a specific person. That is why it is a proper noun and we have to circle it. In the same way, cousin is a common noun. That is why we are going to underline it. In the second sentence, Annie played with her brother. Here, Annie is a proper noun and brother is common noun. In the third sentence, Shabash, you have to tell me, Mrs. Sumera brought her baby to the park. Here, Mrs. Sumera is, yes, a proper noun. But baby and park is common noun. The fourth one, Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. Here, Islamabad is the name of a specific city. That is why I am going to encircle it. And the city is what? City is a common noun and Pakistan is a proper noun. In the fifth sentence, our new classmate came from Lahore. Here, the classmate is a common noun and Lahore is proper noun. So this is very easy. Now you are going to rapidly pick up the common and proper nouns. We went to the zoo in Peshawar. Here, zoo is what? Common noun and Peshawar is the proper noun. Shabash, tell me in the number 7th. Monarch butterfly. migrates during the winter. Winter is what? Winter is a common noun, but monarch butterfly is a specific butterfly. That is why monarch is a proper noun. In the 8th sentence, Pakistan is a beautiful country. Pakistan is what? A proper noun, and country is a common noun. In the 9th one, Taha likes to write with a black pen. Shabash, you have to tell me. There are two nouns. The first one is Taha and the second one is pen. So Taha is yes, a proper noun, and pen is a common noun. I ate a good red apple after dinner. Here, apple is what? A common noun. This is very easy. Now, moving towards your homework. We have done a very detailed exercise previously, and you have very easy understanding of what? Of proper nouns and common nouns. So the homework is very easy. You have to only choose the correct option and write a few lines about it. So what would be the few lines? The few lines would be of why have you chosen this option. You have to just answer the right statement, that why have you picked up this. So the first one is, which one of the following is a proper noun? Country, room, Islamabad, bag. This is very easy. The second one, you have to find the common noun in the following sentence. That is, he will come here next month. Here, come, next and month. This is very easy, and it is mentioned on the page 2 of your summer pack. We have done it previously, so this homework is very easy for you people. The third one is, you have to find the correct combination of common noun and proper noun, and the options are here, and you have to do an activity. You have to read any storybook and find the common nouns and proper nouns, and you have to write it here. So how many common nouns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to write down 9 common nouns and 9 proper nouns. Thank you so much for today's class. Stay blessed, stay happy. Allah Hafiz.